So let's look at the structure of Ethereum on a weekly time frame. Let's stop by a monthly and see what we've got on monthly time frame and switch on the line charts. So from we already have a clue from so let's make a clean chart. So the reason I looked at the monthly time frame is to get a similarity from a weekly chart. So I got to look first of all at the monthly. So now I see what the monthly chart looks like. Then I make a clean chart on a weekly. So this is the structure, break of structure followed by a retest, resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest one. So I like to put it into context. Like to put into context. So that's RT slash SR. The weekly chart is so daring to me, and the reason I've heard the weekly chart very firmly, I have confidence in it. I have confidence that a price dip back into this descending trend line, DTL, will will act as dynamic support to downswing. So what does that mean technically is that if you get a breakout from this structure, then most likely you could retest and come down here, either a W structure or an inverted head and shoulder. Then we break back and continue trend. The market will reset at one point. I don't know if that's going to happen, but I have a weekly parameter which we are seeing its ripple effect. Look at the ascending trend line on weekly TF and look at what it has done. So technically, you want to see that this weekly trend is broken. So if this weekly trend is broken, it will give us a clear sell continuation. But at the moment, let's be patient and follow the structure of the market, the way it presents itself, instead of trying to be too predictive of the market. So I'm patiently looking at what the market is doing and assessing its price movement, the way it presents itself, rather than being too predictive of the market. So if you look at the structure here, you see we have key support structure here. One, line chart close, weekly TF. Another one, two, giving us an ascending trend line impetus. Whenever you are making a trend line, what is the impetus? 2 point is okay, 3 point better, 4 point best. Breakout is a continuation. So let's see, you see what price have done. Price dip itself into that trend. So we've not violated trend. So don't rush. So until we get a breakout from this weekly, then we can now look at retest, then we'll come down. So if that happens, then most likely we are coming down. But at the same time, a pushback into here could be a breakout and the market will return uptrend. This is a trend, this is a structure of market I've seen multiple times. And a lot of times traders don't feel happy about it. A lot of times traders don't feel okay with it, you know, but that is what it is. That is what it is. And so for now, I just want to be concerned with what affects us, so that we can limit the number of lines to make it easier and understandable for everyone. So I think we have a violation here, a very simple violation. The weekly candle closing below here, it's not gonna really look nice. It's not gonna look nice. It's not gonna look nice. If you ask me, it's not gonna look nice. So let me put it into the right context so that everyone can see it and make a critical assessment. What is next? What is coming? The reality is that we have a weekly break of a key demand floor. The price action is very clear for anyone who understands market structure to see. If you have a divergent view, please come to the comment section and let me know your grievances. And we can look at it trader to trader and reach a compromise. So there is a break of structure at this level. Now, look at what price has done. Here is RS1, RS2, SR1, SR2, SR3, SR4, SR5, break of structure, SR6, break of SR level. Technically, if we close this week on a weekly candle below this level, we are triggering correction, bearish continuation. That is what we are going to get. That's what we'll get. So there are other things I want to put, but for now, I really feel tired having so much lines. So we have tried, we have limited our lines, and I think we have tried 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is okay. 4 is okay. I would have loved only 2 lines, but for educational purpose, let's stop here. So bye for now. So let's see if it retests. If it retests, it's a short. But if it breaks out from here, weekly close is a buy. Yes, if it breaks out from here, a breakout from here, trend change, return to buying. And if it buys, most likely it might challenge here. But I don't think so because of the sentiment. I do not think so because of the current sentiment. And if you look at it, there is a divergence here. There is a divergence. Sorry to put it. There is a divergence here. So to make it clear, this is what it is. That divergence has to be broken for you to get a clear buy confirmation. So this is even more important than every other one we have done. So we need to see a clear breakout from it. If we cannot break out from this, then we are not serious yet. So market must break out from it. A breakout from this structure will give us a clear nod to go long. This is what you need. The reason is because here is resistance, here is support, here is support, affirmation, 3 points, break of structure, retest 1, retest 2, sell continuation. So if price returns here, it will sell back. It will sell back. Most likely, it will sell back, except it's broken. If it's not broken, then got to be sell. Bye for now.